So most of our first-time guests don't even have any idea that there's a nice grocery store just across the highway, right at the intersection when you come into the RV park. Right over here where there's a little bridge to go on to the other section, we had some 2x4s and fencing, and at least once a month somebody hits the fencing. And then maybe when people realize that they're going to damage their RVs on the big wooden logs, they might pay a little more attention and try not to hit them. Checking out this trailer that's in the RV park right now with a back patio. It's pretty sweet. So Anthony and Will ripped the whole thing out the other day, trashed everything. And Anthony's going to make a nice pine countertop. We have this stainless steel sink laying around, so we're going to use that to make it nice and sturdy with no cabinets underneath. We just ordered a new garbage disposal to dispose of all the fish guts and bones, and it's going to be up probably this coming week. So here's the completed fish cleaning station. We put a nice plastic board over here, and the garbage disposal's down below. Got a nice industrial style faucet, and we got the switch for the garbage disposal.
Okay.
We're heading to our secret spot on the McCloud River. If you want to know where it is, ask us in person. We may let you know. We have a gentleman that just arrived. He got stuck in Mount Shasta. Turbo went bad. So he's got a tow truck towing his truck and his trailer. And the problem is we cannot back him into his spot because it's a fifth wheel. So we're just going to put him here in the parking lot, and then we're going to try find one of the other guests that can hook up to his truck with the same kind of hitch. How you doing? The tow truck towed his truck back to Mount Shasta, and they found out one cylinder is gone. So Kevin is going to hook up the trailer and take it into the gentleman's spot. For the past 2 or 3 years, we've been trying to get this shed into a living space, and there's always something that comes up, and we use it for storage of mattresses and things. But we have made a commitment this year before the end of summer to get this into a living space. And we're going to take this door and just frame it over, make it look like a wall, and put the door on the other side. There's just a bunch of junk in here. And then Anthony's going to cut a door over here. And then we're going to put a sink and a little propane burner, and over there we're going to put 2 queen bunk beds so 4 adults can sleep in here. We're going to paint the whole inside white and make it nice. And here's where the door is going to be. And we have a little deck out here. Cool.
26th on Tuesday.
A little trailer that we keep in the park called Speedy. It's a little white trailer, and every year we have to buy a new lead acid battery, and I just ordered a 100 amp hour battery off Amazon for $116 delivered. Come on you guys, make the switch, you'll never look back.
Oh, my top's coming on.
What's the time?
6 seconds.
No way.
Oh my god, my
10
feet
seconds.
hurt. I can't do it.
You gotta put your head in.
Put your head in, it'll make it
No.
easier. It will. It'll
I
feel
don't
nice
like it.
actually.
Are you okay? No, my feet hurt from that. Really? Is she?
What's the time?
34 seconds. You're halfway there, more than half. You went fast in there. 50 seconds.
56, 57, 2, 1. 1 minute.
Whoa! Whoa!
Please, Luca.
Oh my god.
Give him a hug.
Oh my god.
So we've been having a bit of engine problems with the Beast. We found out that the exhaust manifold was leaking, so we replaced the gasket and it was still leaking, only to find out that the exhaust manifold was warped. So I got some aftermarket manifolds and we're having the truck towed to a shop in Wairika tomorrow. And today we got the task of taking the camper off the truck using these new jack mounts that Anthony built last summer. We've raised the truck up about 3 inches in the past, giving it a test, but we've never really had the truck out from under the camper. So today's the test. And then as soon as the truck is out, we're going to lower the whole camper onto this big metal welding table, which will add to the stability while we walking around or showering or moving around in the camper so it doesn't move around too much. The truck is not able to start, so Anthony's going to pull the truck out from under the camper with a tractor and a chain. No. All right, just go little by little.
To